Myself Manish Mittal from Suraj Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. On behalf of Suraj School, today I start my new chapter, new topic. My chapter name Issue of Share. It is the first part of the chapter video. Time to time I will send you another part of the topic. Let's start the topic. First of all, company. What do you mean by company? It is an artificial person created by law, having separate entity with perpetual succession and a common seat. It is an artificial person. Artificial person means these are also characteristics of the company. First one, artificial person. Second, created by law. Third, separate entity. Fourth, perpetual succession. Fifth, common seat. Some candidates hesitate to learn theoretical point of this chapter. For this it is very easy. From this definition you can very easily learn the characteristics of the company. Artificial person means it is not a person who have soul, who have body. It is created by law, never birth from the soul. It is created by law. As per law you can create company having separate entity. Separate entity means it can do any contract with its own name. No need the name of other. Perpetual succession means member may come in, member may go out. Does not differ from the company existence. And a common thing. Company has its own common thing, own step. On company document, minimum 2 director signature and the stamps are also put on it. It become company document. Now question is, why company come into the existence? For this. Why we use company in the existence? For this purpose we can use company. We came company into the existence for the purpose of capital. Because you already learn about the sole proprietorship in +1 accountancy, where one limitation is most important, that is the limited capital. In other form of the business, partnership, where also limitation is capital. For removing these problems, limited capital problems, company come into the existence. Because through general public, all we can invest money in the company business. Any person can invest in the company business. For this purpose, capital. How capital arise? Where capital comes? Company issue prospectus for issuing shares. कंपनी प्रोस्पेक्टस जारी करते हैं शेयर इशू करने के लिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द शेयर? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द शेयर? न्यू वर्ड शेयर. I told you about it. Why company come into the existence? Because to remove the problem of capital, company come into the existence. How can remove the problem of capital? Dear students, general public can invest money. How can general public invest money? Company issue prospectus and invite application from the general public, and those person who want to invest that company, they fulfill the prospectus. And what is the prospectus? For issuing shares, company's prospectus. What is the shares? Capital of company is divided into small parts or unit that is known as shares. Company capital are divided into small parts or small unit that is known as shares. Just like company capital is rupees 20 lakh and it is divided into the small parts. small parts can be possible in the multiple of 5. And you can divide the capital of the company in the multiple of 5, just like rupees 5 per share, rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 100, so many methods. These capital are divided into small parts. Just like company capital is 20 lakh and I take my small parts will be rupees 10. The number of shares become for which company can issue prospectus. Number of shares 20 lakh divided by 10. Result 2 lakh shares. Company capital are divided into small parts. It means if I want to take, I have only 1000 rupees. Then I can purchase 100 shares because 1 share is 10. Then I can purchase 100 shares of the company. Just like me, any other person have 5000 rupees, he can purchase 500 shares of the company. General public can invest in the company. For this purpose, company come into the existence to remove the problem of capital. Now, question arises: which company can issue prospectus and invite application? कौन सी कंपनी जो प्रोस्पेक्टस जारी करेगी, एप्लीकेशन मंगाएगी? कंपनी कैन बी 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कंपनी. As per Company Act 2013, company can 3 types. First one, public company. Second, private company. Third, one person company. As per Company Act 2013, company can be 3 types. Public company, private company, one person company. Public company, where minimum number of members is 7 and maximum number of members no limit. In private company, minimum number of members 2, maximum number of members is 200. In one person company, only one person who is a citizen of India, Indian citizen, that can invest, start one person company. Public company can invite application from, can issue prospectus and invite application from the public. Private company and one person company cannot issue prospectus and invite application from the public. Only public company can invite application from the public. Dear students, only public company can invite application. Now, these two companies cannot invite application from the general public. Another difference is how can we understand it is private company, it is public company? At the end of the name of the company, in public company word is limited, and at the name of end of the company, if word use private limited, that is represent private company. If at the end of the name use word limited, it represent the public company, and word use private limited, it represent the private company. Then only public company can issue prospectus and invite application. Private company cannot issue prospectus. Next point is how can share we can issue. शेयर कैसे इशू किए जा सकते हैं? 3 टाइप्स हैं. फर्स्ट वन, केस 1, केस 2, केस 3. केस 1, at par. At par means if company issue share at the face value, at face value, it represents the company's share at par. Means if 10 rupees share issued at rupees 10, face value 10 issued at 10, it represents company issue share at par. At par. If company issue share more than the face value, it represents the company issue share at premium. Means if rupees 10 share issued at rupees 12, rupees 10 share issued at 12 more than the face value. If share issued at more than the face value, it is known as at premium. Third, consideration other than cash. Consideration other than cash. What is the meaning of consideration other than cash? If you payment of anything, just like promoter incorporation cost, you paid not paid in cash, instead of paying cash you issue share. If you purchase assets, then not payment in cash other than cash, you issue share. It is known as share issued at consideration other than cash. Consideration other than cash. Next point, dear students. How can company make the face value? Call the face value. It is the face value. How can company make the face value? Company can two types. First type, first case, all complete face value in lump sum amount. If company is calling all the 10 rupees in one time, it is the complete face value in the lump sum amount. 10 rupees, all 10 rupees is calling at the time of application, it is the lump sum amount. And second case, complete face value is calling value is receiving in installment. Company does not call in lump sum amount, it is calling in lump sum in installment, in part, that is the in the installment. Mostly company can make four part. First one, share application. Second, share allotment. Third, share first call. Fourth, share final call. Students, remember here, at time of application, 25% of face value must be subscribed. Must be subscribed. At that time of application, 25% of face value must be subscribed, and allotment, first call and final call, other part.